I didn't upload in a long time. I just got my channel back. Okay, so you've heard about the new series that was coming up on the other channel, The Adventures of the Birds. We're part of it. I'm Rainbow. He's Sulfur. He was talking about the midnight sale like 2 days ago on the other channel. Didn't come out yet. Don't mind me, please. Well, we just wanted to tell you our hobbies today because it's raining outside. Sorry for the blurry stuff. But, so yeah, I like looking at rainbows, and because the name is Rainbow, by the way, so what's your Sulfur? Well, my favorite hobby is actually picking berries with my beak. It's, seeing the moon come out. I like looking at the rain. I like the sky and looking at the clouds. I like to fly. I like laying eggs.